All right, first graders, we are going to practice some making halves together. You are going to need your math journal, and I am on page 160, and you're also going to need a pencil. Pause the video if you need to grab those supplies and then come right back. All right, let's look at number 1. Number 1 says, show how you divided the pancake into 2 equal shares. So I'm thinking of a pancake in my head. What shape do you think of when you think of a pancake? Yeah, I usually think of a circle. So I'm going to try my best to make a circle. You try your best to make your circle. And it says we want to divide this into 2 equal shares. Where are you going to divide yours at? Don't forget, each part needs to be equal. I'm going to do mine right down the middle. It's not perfect, but it's pretty close. This share is pretty close to this share as being the same size. Look at number 2. Show how to share 1 cracker between 2 people. Well, I just bought some crackers this weekend. The crackers that Mrs. Faust bought were a rectangular shape. So I'm going to draw a rectangle for number 2. I know in the video they talked about Pop-Tarts. And this says we're going to share this cracker between 2 people. Well, of course, both people want to get the same amount. How are you going to divide that? I'm thinking I could divide it in half just like I did my pancake down the middle. The person that gets this half is getting the same amount as the person that's getting this half. How did you divide yours? Are they equal shares? Look at number 3. Show another way to share 1 cracker between 2 people. Well, I'm thinking I'm going to draw my rectangular cracker again. But this time, we have to show a different way to divide it. Do you think people still want to get equal shares? Oh yes, I would definitely agree with that. How else can I divide this so that 2 people can share it equally? Oh yes, I could divide it in half lengthwise. So one person could get the top of my cracker, and another person could get the bottom of the cracker, and look, they're getting the same amount. Look at number 4. Write a name for one of the equal parts of the cracker or the pancake. What do you think, first graders? How could we name that? I'm thinking we could say half. One person gets half of the cracker. Did you come up with a different way? Mm-hmm. Oh, one person could also get 1/2 of the cracker. Did you think of a different way? One person could get 1 out of 2 equal shares. First graders, I love how there's not just one answer. You can explain your math in many different ways. All right, you are going to take a picture of this page, page 160, and turn it into your teacher.